Surprise, motherfucker.
Panels. Now, if you'll remember, I had a bunch of panels. There were multiple colors. I have $45 in the entire interior of this thing. It's all blending together into one color, looking completely different. Okay, camper stage and mock-up. Notice there's a new floor. That's vinyl. The walls, 3 coats of paint. They look complete. They don't even look like they're pieced together from Habitat for Humanity Restore. Can't even tell I use vinyl for trim. I mean, you see some gaps, but nothing crazy. Okay, there's my kerosene stove, thermoelectric cooler. That's going to be my shower, so I'm going to build that. Basically just hang the shower curtain, drill a hole in the floor, and run a hose out of it. Those are going to be my storage containers. That's going to be my closet. So I have to build shelving. That's going to be my bed. Underneath my bed is storage. So yeah, basically, it's a home. With a grill out front. Okay, almost done. Everything's been sealed. The windows have been repaired. Got my grill outside. I have not put up solar yet, but it's coming. There's my panels, trickle charger, and the battery. Still waiting on a charge controller. It's like $9. Coming from California, so it'll take forever. Alright, inside, the air conditioner's in, foamed in, screwed in. Bitch ain't going anywhere. Stable as fuck. Got my stove. It's a $150 1950s Sun Flame dual kerosene burner. Got my thermoelectric cooler. I have not finished the bathtub yet, but it will be soon. Cut a hole in the floor. Get my sprayer done. And this I just built today. Got my touch lights, my Dreamcast, my fold-down TV, my DVD player, my cabinets, and more touch lights, obviously. And a closet. I zoom back on that. See that right there? I need to paint the closet, but I'll get around to it. It opens and slides open. And then I left space behind it, so I can fit my coats and that type of thing on some little screw hooks. My bed, all nicely made, looking all professional. So yeah, I have in a little less than 140 square feet an entertainment center that will house my TV, my DVD player, my second Dreamcast, my books, and various other forms of entertainment media. My stove, my thermoelectric cooler, my panels and my battery bank, my shelving for food, my AC, and then I'm going to put a small closet over there in the empty corner. And below the bed is a giant toolbox with all my tools in it. Yeah, I don't think Aristocrat had this in mind. But oh well. Everybody be like, it looks like shit. You'll never get that done. You don't know what you're doing. Oh, that's too much work. Oh, that's horrible. Yeah, you can't live in something like this. My motherfucking house, bitch. 100%. My hands. Solar motherfucking power, too.